My name is Carrie Muzny, and I am a dentist. I practice actually in North Houston, up in the Woodlands. My practice is really cosmetic and comprehensively based. So we take a team approach a lot of times with our patients. We have multiple doctors in our practice, and my true passion in dentistry is helping transform smiles. So most people in my community do know that I am a dentist, but what I really feel that I do is help build confidence. And my philosophy in my practice really is trying to have as much transparency with my patients throughout the process from beginning to end. So I do virtual consults, which is something different where I'm really able to connect with my patients many times before they even come into the practice and help explain that process of how we look at your smile and how we can transform that. Throughout the years, I have seen so many of my patients come in that are really held back by the look of their smile and the confidence that they may be lacking because they don't love their smile. And that can be something that holds them back for years. I believe that being able to explain to my patients how changing their smile and helping them build that confidence, I really love that I get to see how my patients change. I get to see how their confidence changes. Really, any age. I have patients that are younger and I have patients that are older, and some patients have gone throughout their whole life having a smile that they just don't feel confident with. And my passion is being able to help give them that smile where they can then go throughout life and go into work and go on interviews and just be present throughout life smiling more. And so being able to help somebody smile more is really why I do what I do. I am a cosmetic dentist. However, what I truly believe that I do is help build confidence with my patients. That is part of the process that I love the most. So being able to walk somebody through how changing their smile can change their life and then getting to see that in the end is what I'm most passionate about. So for a lot of patients, they're fearful of dentistry. There's a lot of unknown in just trying to understand what does it take to change my smile. Lots of patients maybe have not had great experiences with the dentist in the past. And I love changing their perception of what dentistry is like today. I love changing their perception of, wow, this was simple. This was life-changing, but I wasn't scared. And really walking them through that, because a lot of times it's the unknown that is hardest for patients. And so going back to that transparency with my patients is everything. I find with dentistry, there's so much unknown, and building that trust with my patients throughout the process is really what's most important to me. I find that a lot of times my patients know that they don't love their smile, but they're just maybe fearful and they're not really sure what that looks like. So my philosophy is really to build that trust with my patients and have that open communication. My goal is always to try to figure out the dream smile that maybe they have in their mind and help facilitate that process in a way that feels comfortable.